Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Again, this is Michael of My Concept, and today I'm so excited to show you how to add video effects transition using Adobe Premiere Pro without using third-party plugins. But before that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the thumbs up button, click the bell icon, and comment down below what questions do you have in mind. So, let's dive into the software. So first, as you can see, I have here my videos ready, and I will show you how it looks like without video effects transition. So as you can see, it is so boring. First effects we will do is the zoom in seamless transition. First thing we do is create adjustment layer, and then drag it to the top of the videos, cut it. We'll copy this into the top, drag and drop, and the next thing we do is cut the frames to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 frames. So 8 frames. Cut. And then same in the other side. Cut 8 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C for cut. And then Ctrl X to delete. Go to the effects panel and search for replicate. And then drag it to the adjustment layer down below. As you can see, it will create a replica to your video. So make it to 3, so it will look like this. And then search again for mirror, and drag and drop to the same adjustment layer. Go here to the top, effects control, set the reflection angle to 90 degrees. As you can see, it will create an upside down image. So drag down below, drag the reflection center here. So if you move this cursor, it will make changes to your video. So drag down below, just by that, to the edge. Make sure that no edges will be shown. I think that's good. Oh, I think that's not good. 719 is good. Okay, and then same thing, add a mirror again. Here we will make the reflection angle to negative 90 degrees, and then same thing, reflection center, the y-axis, drag it to the top until it meets the edges. So we're trying to create a seamless transition here. So that is what we're doing right now. So again, add mirror. This is the third mirror. Again, in the reflection angle, make this to 180 degrees. Whoops, what happened? Don't worry, it is not deleted. Same thing here in the reflection center. Drag the x-axis to the left, so it will appear like this. Okay, make sure that no edges will be shown. Oops, I think that's good. Okay, that's good. We will put a fourth mirror to the video. In the reflection angle, make it to 360 degrees. So it will appear here 1 times 0.0 degrees. Drag the x-axis again until it meets the edges. Okay. Oops. I think that is good. Don't forget to Control save your project before it's too late. So now we have this reflectorized video. Next thing to do is go to the effects panel and search for transform. Okay, same thing. Drag it to the top adjustment layer, not the bottom layer. So drag it to the top, this. drag it there. Make sure the scale is uniform. So check the uniform scale to make it uniform. Okay, cut this and then delete. We will animate the zoom in effects. So here in the scale, click the toggle animation here, right at the beginning until the end of the top adjustment layer. Make the scale into 300. As you can see, we have now zoom in, shrink, but it is so boring, right? So what we're gonna do is we'll put a motion blur. So in order to put a motion blur, make sure to uncheck this use composition shutter angle. Okay, uncheck that. Make the shutter angle to the highest level, 360. So now we are creating a motion blur to our transition effects. Okay, but it's still boring, right? So what we will do is go to this top adjustment layer and then click the keyframe, drag this, and then same thing, click the keyframe, drag, until you satisfy with the result. As we move, this line will affect the video, as you can see. So now just check it. Alright, we have now seamless zoom in transition. So next is the rotation seamless transition. Same thing we're gonna do here, add adjustment layer. Okay, adjustment layer. Cut, copy it to the top. It's just the same as the first effects we did. Just repeat the process. Copy, paste it to the bottom, click again, copy the mirror, paste it again here. You can copy these effects to the other adjustment layer so that it will not take you too much time. So same thing as here with the top adjustment layer. Go to the effects panel and search for transform and then drag and drop to the top layer. Same thing as the first, but now we will animate the rotation. Click the toggle animation here. Make the scale to 300. So as you can see now, we have our rotation effects, but it is not seamless. So same thing as the first effects. Here the top adjustment layer, uncheck this, use composition shutter angle, make the shutter angle to 360. So now we have a motion blur rotation. We have a motion blur effects, but it is not look good. So same thing, rotation. Animate this, click that. Okay, until you're pretty much happy for the result. I think this is good for me. Let's check it. Rotation seamless transition effects. So the next transition is the gradient wipe transition. As you can see here, it is not look good. So how do we make this look cool? Click your top video. Make sure this video is on the top so that we can animate this and add the gradient wipe effects. So first, right click here and so click nest. Click nest, click OK, click this and go to the effects panel. Search for gradient wipe. So drag and drop to this video. Go to the transition completion, click the toggle animation right here at the end of the bottom video. Click the toggle animation and go to the beginning of this video. Change the transition completion to 100. So see how it looks. Change the transition softness to maybe 15%. Okay. 25. We can make this to 50. Make it to 35%. You can invert this gradient by clicking here. You will choose what do you prefer. if you invert it, this is the result. But I prefer to not invert it because it does not look good. Okay, that is nice. Transition completion. Okay, I think that looks good. So now we have the gradient wipe transition. Okay, that is nice. Okay, last but not the least is the vertigo effects. This is commonly used by most video creators and content creators in the world, so I think this is so familiar for you all. So right here, click this video and click the scale, toggle animation, and the position, and go to the end of the video. Also click this keyframe and then go back to the very beginning and then set the scale to 125. And as you can see, the subject is not centered, so drag the position to the right, and then I think that is good, and then play. Okay, as you can see, it will create a vertigo effects. As you can see right here, the grass, the mountain is moving. This is the very cool effects I've ever seen in my life. It's very simple to create and it is not complicated. And yet we haven't used any third-party plugins. Yes. So same thing to the last clip, we will create vertigo effects to this. Right click, nest, and then click it again. Go to the very end of the clip and click the scale position, and then go to the very beginning and change the scale to 125, enter, and then explore the position to whatever you want, here and here. So we have now vertigo effects on the video. It's subtle, but it's there. You can't barely notice it, but it's there. Click unmute your audio here. So we have now our simple video effects transition using Adobe Premiere Pro without using any other third-party plugins. That's it for today's video, guys. Hope you like it, and I've just finished editing the video tutorial. And if you do like this video, please click the thumbs up button, click the bell icon, and also please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, please comment down below and I will answer it. So again, I will see you in the next video. Peace.